Shanghai TERJIN has more than 20 years of independent innovation and expertise in radio frequency spectrum monitoring. Leveraging advanced radio sensing and spectrum analysis technologies, we have developed expertise in UAV detection and countermeasures, focused on securing low-altitude airspace. The VDC1 is a system for drone detection, location, and signal jamming, supporting fixed and vehicle-mounted installations. In urban environments, the VDC1 delivers an effective coverage radius of 1.5 to 5 kilometers when drones intrude into the VDC1 protection area. VDC1 can detect drones on its own. It can detect multiple drones simultaneously. Those info like drone SNS, working frequency, coordinates of drones and operators can be shown up in no time. It can locate and track drone flight paths by meters precision. Based on mission requirements, operators can perform two types of jamming against threatening drones: driving away or forced landing. Driving away mode can disconnect the control link from the drone to the controller and force the drone to move into its safe mode and then return back to the starting point. Forced landing mode will simultaneously cut off the drone's navigation link and force the drones to land. However, it is risky to take the action. Leveraging AI technology, VDC1 can also perform unattended autonomous defense with an effective range of 1.5 to 2 kilometers. It is particularly noteworthy that no radio emissions over the detection, as VDC1 just keeps receiving the radio spectrum from drones.
VDC1 offers rapid deployment with compact design, 60 cm diameter, multiply 42 cm height, and approximately 20 kilograms, and can be supported by a single tripod. The features listed as below: being able to detect commercial drones from major brands such as DJI, Autel, as well as homemade, FPV, and Wi-Fi drone. Geolocating both drones and operators, identifying the drone's serial number, supporting black and white list, detection and jamming cooperate, working well in mobility.
It is composed of a host, a control box, and a controlling suite. The device can be externally connected to an extra box to expand jamming frequency ranges, achieving 13 frequency jamming against some certain FPVs, which is named as the VDC1 Pro. VDC1 supports black and whitelist. It would not give off alarms when the detected drones are in the whitelist. Secures low-altitude airspace with proven effectiveness. VDC1 is used to mitigate the drone threats in major events, such as security patrol, VIP protection, critical site protection, etc.